From the intricate dance of atoms to the grand ballet of celestial bodies, our universe operates on unwavering fundamental laws. These laws dictate everything from the birth of stars to the continuous flow of time itself. But have you ever pondered the delicate balance upon which our existence rests? What if we dared to tweak these fundamental laws, to imagine a universe where the familiar becomes fantastical and strange? Join me on a journey beyond the known realms as we explore 5 captivating scenarios, each challenging the principles that govern our universe. From tenfold gravity to time flowing in reverse, we shall venture into these what-if scenarios and confront their awe-inspiring implications. Fasten your seatbelts, dear viewers, as we embark on an expedition into the unimaginable, where the boundaries of physics blur and reality bends. Gravity, an invisible tether binding us to our planet, is a force we often take for granted. It dictates the rhythm of our lives, from the falling rain to the ebb and flow of the tides. This unseen force shapes our world in ways both subtle and profound. It governs the movement of the oceans, the flight of birds, and even the way we walk. Imagine a world where gravity's grip tightens tenfold, transforming the familiar into a struggle against an unrelenting force. The very air would feel heavier, every breath a laborious task. Everyday activities would become monumental challenges. Walking, once a simple act, would turn into a Herculean effort, each step a battle against an invisible adversary. Humanity would wrestle against an oppressive weight, our bones buckling under the strain. The physical toll would be immense, reshaping our very existence. Our skeletal structure, designed for Earth's current gravity, would struggle to cope. Bones would fracture more easily, and joint pain would become a constant companion. Walking would become a Herculean effort, every step a testament to the immense force pressing down upon us. Skyscrapers would crumble, their steel skeletons unable to withstand gravity's intensified grip. The infrastructure we rely on would fail. Buildings, bridges and roads, all designed for a different gravitational pull, would collapse under the strain. Birds would plummet from the sky, their flight reduced to a desperate struggle for survival. Trees would bow low, their branches straining under the relentless pull. The natural world would be in turmoil. Birds unable to sustain flight would fall to the ground, while trees unable to support their own weight would break and splinter. Even the landscape would be reshaped, mountains ground down, valleys deepened. The very face of our planet would change, sculpted by the relentless force of gravity. The delicate dance of planets and moons would descend into chaos. Orbits would decay, celestial bodies flung from their paths. Our moon might be drawn closer, wreaking havoc upon our tides and triggering catastrophic earthquakes. The cosmic balance would be disrupted. Planets and moons, once in harmonious orbits, would spiral into disarray, causing unpredictable and catastrophic events. Survival would demand a complete reinvention of our existence. Shelters would need to be built low to the ground, designed to withstand the crushing weight. Movement would become a precious commodity, every step a calculated risk. The world as we know it would be gone, replaced by a harsh reality where every movement is a testament to the power of tenfold gravity. Our very way of life would be altered, forcing us to adapt or perish. In this new world, innovation and resilience would be our greatest allies. Humanity would need to find new ways to thrive under the crushing weight of tenfold gravity. Our survival would depend on our ability to adapt, to rethink our relationship with the very force that binds us to our planet. The crushing weight of tenfold gravity would test the limits of human endurance and ingenuity, challenging us to rise above the very force that seeks to hold us down. In the end, it is our spirit of innovation and resilience that will determine our fate, in a world where gravity's grip has tightened beyond imagination. Shelters would need to be built low to the ground, designed to withstand the crushing weight. Movement would become a precious commodity, every step a calculated risk. The world as we know it would be gone, replaced by a harsh reality where every movement is a testament to the power of tenfold gravity. The crushing weight of tenfold gravity would test the limits of human endurance and ingenuity, challenging us to rise above the very force that seeks to hold us down. In the end, it is our spirit of innovation and resilience that will determine our fate in a world where gravity's grip has tightened beyond imagination. The crushing weight of tenfold gravity would test the limits of human endurance and ingenuity, challenging us to rise above the very force that seeks to hold us down. Time, the river that carries us from cradle to grave, flows ever forward. It is an unstoppable force, a relentless current that sweeps us along, never pausing, never slowing. From the moment we are born, we are caught in its flow, moving inexorably towards our final destination. But what if that river were to reverse its flow? What if the current that has always pushed us forward suddenly began to pull us back, dragging us into the past? Imagine a world where yesterday becomes tomorrow, where the past is not a distant memory but a looming reality we are destined to relive. Where the old grow young, their wrinkles smoothing out, their hair darkening, their bodies regaining the strength and vitality of youth, and the dead return to life, their decayed bodies reassembling, their spirits reanimating, as if death were merely a temporary state. Picture a world where broken objects mend themselves, where shattered glass pieces fly back together and a broken vase stands whole once more, where spilled milk leaps back into the glass, defying gravity as if the spill had never happened. Where every wound heals instantaneously, the skin knitting back together, pain and injury vanishing in an instant. At first glance, this might seem like a wondrous gift, a miraculous second chance, a way to undo our mistakes and relive our happiest moments. A chance to undo our mistakes, to erase our regrets, to make different choices and create a better past. But delve deeper, and the true nature of this temporal anomaly reveals itself. The consequences of such a reversal are far more complex and far-reaching than we might initially imagine. Our universe is governed by entropy, the tendency for disorder to increase over time. It is a fundamental principle that shapes the very fabric of reality, the tendency for disorder to increase over time. It is why rooms get messier, why things fall apart, why life is a constant struggle against chaos. Now, imagine a universe where entropy flows in reverse. A universe where order increases, where chaos diminishes, where the natural progression of time is turned on its head. Stars would dim and collapse, their brilliant light fading, their immense energy retreating back into their cores. As if the very process of nuclear fusion were being undone. The universe might begin to contract. Galaxies drawn closer together, the vast expanses of space shrinking, the cosmic structures collapsing in on themselves. The very fabric of reality could unravel. The threads of space and time coming apart, the universe itself disintegrating. Would we be conscious of our backward journey through time? Would we remember the future we had already lived? Or would it be a blank slate, a mystery yet to unfold? Would we remember the future we had already lived? Would our memories be intact, or would they fade away, leaving us adrift in a sea of uncertainty? The concept of cause and effect would be thrown into disarray. Actions would precede their causes, events would unfold in reverse, the very nature of reality would be upended. A universe where time flows backward is a universe where the laws of physics cease to exist. It is a place of chaos, a realm where the rules we take for granted no longer apply. So let us be grateful for the forward march of time, for the steady progression that allows us to grow, to learn, to evolve. Even as we acknowledge its profound mysteries, time is a river that carries us ever forward, and in its flow we find the essence of our existence. Light, the fastest entity in the cosmos, traverses space at an astonishing speed. It moves at approximately 299,792 kilometers per second, a speed so immense that it can circle the Earth 7.5 times in just 1 second. This speed, a universal constant, sets a hard limit on how fast information can travel. It is the ultimate speed limit of the universe, a boundary that nothing can surpass under normal circumstances. But what if we could break this cosmic speed limit? What if the constraints of physics could be bent or even shattered? What if we could journey faster than light itself? Imagine the possibilities that would unfold before us. The universe would suddenly shrink before our eyes. Distances that once seemed insurmountable would become trivial. Interstellar travel could become a tangible reality. We could explore distant stars and galaxies, reaching them in a fraction of the time it would take now. Imagine boarding a starship capable of exceeding the speed of light. witnessing the birth of stars and the dance of black holes. The cosmos would be our playground. But this newfound freedom comes at a price, disrupting the laws of physics. The very fabric of space-time would be altered. As we approach the speed of light, time slows down, distances contract, and space-time warps. The closer we get to this limit, the more extreme these effects become. Now, imagine exceeding the speed of light. The consequences would be even more dramatic. Time might reverse itself, creating paradoxes that defy logic. Events could unfold in reverse, leading to scenarios that challenge our understanding of cause and effect. The concept of causality would be shattered. Actions and their consequences would no longer follow the rules we know. Black holes might cease to exist as we know them. Their very nature could be fundamentally altered. The consequences of breaking the cosmic speed limit are profound and unpredictable. The universe as we know it would be transformed in ways we can barely imagine. The universe would become a realm of mind-bending paradoxes and unimaginable possibilities. A new frontier of exploration and discovery would open up, challenging everything we thought we knew. In the cosmic tapestry, there exists a substance as enigmatic as it is influential: dark matter. Invisible to our telescopes, its presence is inferred by its gravitational effects. It shapes galaxies, the cosmic scaffolding upon which the universe is built. But what if this elusive substance were to vanish? Imagine a universe stripped bare of dark matter. Galaxies would begin to unravel, their stars dispersing into the void. The intricate dance of galactic clusters would descend into chaos. Our own Milky Way would be torn asunder. The sun would drift aimlessly through space, its planetary retinue scattered. The night sky would grow dim and silent. The very theories we use to understand the universe would be called into question. The Big Bang would need to be re-evaluated. Dark matter is crucial for the universe as we know it to exist. Without it, the universe would be a vastly different place, a place where the laws of physics might operate differently. The concept of parallel universes has resided in the realm of science fiction. But what if these parallel universes were tangible realities existing alongside our own? Imagine a reality where the boundaries between universes become porous, allowing energy, matter, or even entire histories to bleed through. Imagine a world where your decisions have unforeseen consequences in another universe. The implications are profound and unsettling. Imagine a universe where every possible outcome of every decision exists in a parallel reality. Now imagine the chaos if these parallel universes were to collide. Histories could overlap, realities could merge, creating a chaotic tapestry of interwoven timelines. The laws of physics might clash and contradict, creating unpredictable anomalies. Energy and matter could flood into our reality, disrupting the balance of our cosmos. The interaction of parallel universes is a stark reminder of the fragility of our own reality. Our universe may be but one of countless others, each with its own unique set of laws. Our journey through these hypothetical scenarios has revealed a universe of both breathtaking wonder and unsettling fragility. We have seen how even the slightest tweak to the fundamental forces could unravel the delicate tapestry of existence. We have glimpsed the power of gravity, the nature of time, and the implications of exceeding the cosmic speed limit. The most important lesson is a newfound appreciation for the delicate balance that makes our universe possible. The laws of physics are the threads that hold the fabric of reality together. They are the reason stars shine, planets orbit, and life can flourish. So, the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember the delicate cosmic ballet, orchestrated by forces both visible and unseen. Our existence is a precious gift made possible by the interplay of physical laws. Cherish the wonders of our universe, for understanding its fragility helps us appreciate its beauty. Which of these scenarios do you find the most intriguing or terrifying? Let us know in the comments.